Cargo plane exploded on takeoff today at Louisville, Kentucky, and the governor says the death toll is likely to rise. Here's what we know so far. On Tuesday evening, November 4th at 5:15 p.m., a UPS MD-11 cargo plane crashed during takeoff from Louisville International Airport. The plane was headed to Honolulu with three crew members aboard. Video footage shows flames erupting from the plane's left wing, a trail of smoke, then the aircraft lifting briefly before crashing in a massive fireball. As of now, at least three people are confirmed dead and 11 injured. Kentucky Governor Andy Beshear told reporters those numbers will likely grow. The crash shredded part of the building roof near the runway and triggered a shelter-in-place order for all areas north of the airport. Emergency responders are still on the scene, but the situation remains dangerous. Fuel from the aircraft and potentially explosive materials are major concern. Some first responders had to shelter behind the structure because of the ongoing fire risk. Louisville is home to UPS largest package hub in the world. It handled 300 daily flights and sort over 400,000 packages every hour. The MD-11 involved was manufactured in 1991. The FAA investigators are now working to determine what caused the left-wing fire before takeoff. No official cause has been released yet, and the focus right now is on search, rescue, and containment. So, when a cargo plane exploded on takeoff in one of the country's busiest logistic hubs, what happened next? Investigators will examine the wreckage, the flight data, and the critical moment when flames appeared on the wing. For now, the priority is the people, those injured, those missing, and the family waiting for answer. A cargo plane exploded on takeoff yesterday in Louisville, Kentucky, and the story is still unfolding.